Welcome back to Coin Sense and Nonsense. Today, we've got another cool vintage silver ingot. This one from BR MacKay Sons. And I don't know if you can appreciate the toning. There we go. Maybe a little bit of color. Trying to hold it a distance away so you can maybe see the cool colors here. It's got quite a bit of character, especially this end here with some grinding of the pigtail probably, and man, it's like a rainbow. So this one is odd weight, 10.76 ounces, and just an awesome piece. And this has quite a story. BR MacKay Sons produce silver bars for industrial use, and they extract the source of their silver was X-ray film and other film that they processed to extract the silver. And it's not without some controversy. So these are supposed to be water droplets, I guess, on their hallmark or mint, maker's mark. But I could argue those are teardrops because they got charged with murder. Actually, some of the higher ups in the company, including I think Michael MacKay, had been charged with murder of one of their employees because in order to extract the silver from X-ray film and other films, they had to use cyanide. And as you know, that's not good for you. And what happened is they would extract I guess they cut up the film into like postage stamp size pieces, extracted the silver, and then stored the excess film with the cyanide residue in like tractor trailers. And and unfortunately, one of their employees, I guess, breathed in the cyanide and died, I think, in 1983, or at least 83 is when they were charged with murder. So it wasn't really BR MacKay that did the extraction of the silver from the film. It was another entity that they were 50% partners with called Film Recovery Systems in Illinois. BR MacKay Sons was located in Utah, in Salt Lake City. So this is another cool Southwest bar for my kind of Southwest, West Coast themed silver ingot collection so far. Trying to get some really cool pieces here. So Anaheim Metal Company, and got a couple of those I've shown in other videos. So definitely love the silver ingots. And I know just recently, I think Silver Bean Counter had gotten a BR MacKay bar or two from Mineral Exchange, and yeah, I was pretty jealous and walked into the coin shop. As I was saying before I got rudely interrupted by no more memory on the memory card, I was pretty jealous of Silver Bean Counter and his, and then I walked into my coin shop or local coin shop this weekend, and there it was. And actually, he got in a lot of cool bars, and so the theory that all the good stuff comes out when silver spot price goes up a little bit is holding true. So super happy to add this to my collection, as I mentioned. And I thank you so much for watching Coin Sense and Nonsense. And until next time, bye.